Okay, so it's time to feed the goat. That is the goat. This is the thing that feeds the goat. And this is the truck. So, first we gotta open the box. We're gonna hold for the plane. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Plastic. And there's some carabiners in here. Locking carabiners, ooh. And some screws and some zip ties. And we've got some instruction. Now, they're just calling this a poultry feeder, but I definitely sent them a picture of the goat when this company reached out and was like, hey, we have this animal feeder. And I was like, hey, I've been hanging out here. There's a goat, a hungry goat. Hello, hungry goat. It's like me and the goat really we're not, he needs a girlfriend, and you know, he's just like ready for dinner basically. And these are gonna be installed so he can nibble out of them. They're gonna be installed just on the edge of the fence here, across the creek. So we're gonna take a gander, but we're gonna wait for this goat's daddy, Pop-Tart, to come help us, because I'm not really friends with the goat. It's more about showing this to you. All right, are you enjoying this video? There's a goat. There's animal feeders. We're going to install them in a second, and I'll stop trying to be funny. Thank you for watching this far. The next part is coming. But these feel really nice, actually. I wish I had more molded plastic products that had this texture on them. I know that that's like silly to say for a product that's like this, but like seriously, it's like dimpled almost. Okay, goat daddy has been briefed on the dimples of the plastic. Okay, we're holding for the plane. Okay, so we were thinking that even though you could use the zip ties, no, we're still holding for the plane. Okay, so we were thinking that, you know, you could use the zip ties and attach them directly to the wire fence, or you could use the carabiner through the thing and onto the wire fence. But what would be nice is, and then the carabiner onto the fence. So that's what we're gonna do. The goat needs one of these, right? Not two. I don't know, how much do you feed a goat?
Like 2 handfuls of pellets a day.
Pellets, okay. Got it. What kind of pellet?
Goat feed pellets.
Goat feed pellets. Okay, goat feed pellets. We've got 2. We're gonna install this. No, I told you I'm not your friend. No, don't look at me like that. The reason I'm not really friends with the goat is because the goat likes to bite, and I don't like getting bitten by a goat. I don't know about you. Like, I'm fine with the goat. I don't want to eat the goat. I'm not trying to get milk from the goat. The goat mows the lawn. It's good. But I just don't like getting bit by the goat. And that's really what it comes down to. Right here?
Yeah. I mean, that's perfect.
That works. Is it too high?
No.
Is it too low?
No.
That is like perfect for the goat. Lock these babies in. I think we've installed it. Are we going to feed the goat?
We are going to feed the goat.
Where's the goat feed?
Inside the house.
You want to get some? I mean, it's your goat. It's pretty good. It goes right on the wire fence, no problem. Not mad about it. Wait, I'll do it. I don't want to be with the goat. So here are the goat pellets going in. Oh, look at that. It's the right height. You enjoying it? Is it good for you? Do goats get like food aggressive?